Hey guys, so Ollie is sick today. You can hear that he's a little congested. The weather's changing, he's teething. Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys what we do to make him feel better. You excited?
Should I flush it or just leave it? I'll flush it.
Are you excited?
You want me to keep the water running?
Are you excited? Oh, poor little guy.
You're so tired, poor baby. Poor baby. You tired? Did you have a rough day being sick?
So I'm going to show you guys everything we use and the end of the night. You hear that? Hey little guy. Alright, let's continue on. We got the tub filled up. I'm just going to put in, zoom. I'm just going to put this Breathe Frida vapor bath in there. It's like little drops. It's got eucalyptus and lavender. So it'll make him feel better. Just put a couple drops in. Hey little guy, you feeling good? He's already starting to breathe better. Hey! I got that Breathe, the Frida Breathe thing from Target.
Baby now? You just a baby?
Alright, while Anthony dries the baby off, I just want to show you guys what we did give him. We ended up giving him some of this morning because he was coughing like crazy and his mucus was really bad. So we gave him this morning and he took it during the babysitters. It's 2 months and up, I think. Yeah. Ugh. And it's pretty, I don't know if it worked, but it knocked him out. So that's good. He took a good, nice nap before we went to the babysitters. We are gonna, this is the Breathe Easy kit that I got. Comes with the vapor drops, the vapor rub, and the vapor wipes. I haven't used the wipes yet, but I have them. We used the vapor wipes, the drops in the tub, so we're gonna put this on the baby. And I did ask my doctor if we can get baby rub from Vicks. And they said yes, but we ended up just using this instead. Alright. Diapers on! Hey buddies!
Okay.
Hi little guy! Alright, so we're still going to do our normal nighttime routine with him. We're just going to add a couple steps. Aren't we buddies? Oh, it's okay. It's okay. So we're going to put his lotion on like we always do. Still use the Dove Sensitive. Hi, buddies. Hi, my little buddies. What you doing? Huh? What you doing? Did you have a good day at the babysitters? Huh? Yeah, you did? Oh yeah? Oh, what happened? Oh, what happened? Okay. One more done. One more done. Your hair is crazy. You got crazy hair. I still put the Babyganics eczema cream on his face. Because, you know, he still breaks out a bit. Give me those chickens. Can you do this? Because I got lotion on my hands. His vitamin D drop. What you? Okay. Ears. And then we move on to the sick stuff. Are you sick? Are you sick? Are you sick? Huh? Are you sick, buddies? Alright. What happened? You need to get out behind your wheels. Daddy didn't. Alright. Give me that. Alright, so we're going to take the stick and we're going to put it on his feet. Like this. I'm going to put a little on his chest right here. And I'm going to take some on my finger and just rub it on his upper lip. And that's done. We also do use the nose Frida. I'm not going to show that on camera because he cries insane amounts. So we are going to do this tonight just to clear him up. So use this and the saline spray that they give you.
Hi, buddy. Hi. Hello. Hey, good baby.
This spray and the nose Frida. We're going to use. Whoa. Are you farting? Are you farting? Huh?
He farts just like his sister.
He's already sounding a lot better just from the bath. Right, buddies? Okay, let's dress him. We could stop. Alright, so we just did the nose Frida and the saline. And he's basically ready for bed. Zoom in on the baby.
How?
No, like physically zoom in on the baby. So yeah. So I'm just gonna put him in his doggy cot and put him to sleep. We got the fans on. We're gonna put his humidifier on. I'll show you that when Anthony's done. But that's pretty much it. That's all we do to help the baby get through his little sickness. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.